Microsoft is trying to buy Activision Blizzard, and on Thursday, the FTC sued to block the $69 billion deal. This would be a huge antitrust win in the event that the FTC can actually halt the deal on the concerns they have. But it's an uphill battle given the industry, the players involved, and the fact that really there have not been any major FTC actions against companies at this scale at any time in the last 30 years.
Yeah, I mean, look, when you are going up against one of the largest companies in the world, that's first challenge number one. It's going to be an uphill battle when you're talking about going up against Microsoft. They probably have better attorneys than the FTC. Sorry, just going to call that out, and they have the willingness to spend over quite a bit of time. But furthermore, if in fact blocked, it would really, in the United States at least, be one of the first of its kind in this space. So what we're talking about here is the fact that while Microsoft does have, some of their own game studio and produces their own games, largely they're talking about, acquiring Activision, and it's not suddenly going to make the game design and distribution space markedly less competitive. What you do have concerns about is the fact that, like other vertical mergers in the past, that this has the ability to just make Microsoft even more of a behemoth and prevent others from competing with them in multiple different spaces. But generally speaking, the FTC has not had success blocking mergers based on that merit.
And remember, Microsoft back in, was it 2001? Either 2000 or 2001, they bought Bungie Studios. Big game studio. It was a good-sized studio, but they were the ones who were developing the Halo franchise at the time. And originally, it was going to be just like their prior games. It was going to be on multiple platforms. It was going to be on PlayStation and PC and Mac and this and that. Microsoft bought it, Xbox exclusive for their launch of the Xbox.
Yep.
So Microsoft has a history of taking big studios that are putting together big products and saying, yep, this is going to be exclusive to us.